Double-click to launch ENCY software. Double-click on the robot or machine to edit. If the robot is listed, can pick from the list. If not, then can browse the robot folder. Then choose the robot from Search Folders group.
Switch to Model tab. Click on Part Group.
Import the 3D blade model. Click on the workpiece. Then import cylinder workpiece. Now switch to Machining tab. And we need to do some base setup setting before we proceed to any operation. Click on Base Setup. Change the machine CS to Routable UCS. And set Z-axis to 500. Click OK to confirm. Switch back to Model tab again. Click on Full Model Group. Make sure all components are selected to move downward the part 500 mm. Switch back to Machining tab. To continue machining operation, click on Part option. Accept Default option. Next, click on Workpiece. Then select Primitive. Set Item Type as Cylinder. Double-click to edit. Set -500 mm and 500 mm. Set radius 50 mm. Now add curve cladding. Under Additive group. Then go to Setup tab. Tool Orientation option. Set Rotate E1 to 90. And align the tool to front direction. And turn on E2 under Other Axis option. Align the tool to front direction again if needed. Switch to Job Assignment. Set Base Surface.
Curve.
Top level. Bottom level. As shown in video. Double-click to edit curve. Set the stock value to 2.5. Flip the direction, if needed. Switch to Strategy option. The top level and bottom level value already defined. Next, set the depth step to 1.5 mm. Initial depth also 1.5 mm. Next, we move to Parameter option. Set the tolerance as 1 mm. Set Fixed Length Spatial Arcs in Output Interpolation option. And set segment length to 3 mm. Maximum linear deviation to 1.5 mm. Switch to Links/Leads option. Adjust the safe level to 50 mm if it is too low. Next, switch to Tool option. Set tool diameter to 3 mm. Tool length to 27 mm. Tool working length to 0.5 mm. And also need to check the tool number. Set rapid feed 50 millimeters per second. Set work feed 15 millimeters per second. Please take note system is use mm per min for the feed. Next, set short link feed 300% and long link feed to 500% of work feed. Double-check again the rotation of E1 axis under tool orientation in Setup option. Rotate 90 if it's set to 0. Set the tool alignment direction to front. Now the E2 value is 180. Align the tool direction to back. And now E2 value is 0.
Click on the axis map.
And build map. After finish, execute. Then click build graph. Can drag along the bar to see the movement of the robot axis A6. Can also drag the graph to adjust the axis orientation. Switch to Simulation tab. Click Reset if needed to clear previous simulation record. Click Run to simulate the tool path. We can see the tool start point is from the end of the part. We adjust the start point later. Here is the result. Now, we adjust the start point by click on this. Machining side and inverse curve. After adjust, execute the operation. Switch to Simulation tab. Reset to clear previous simulation record. Click Run to see the result. Now the tool path is start from the front side. Switch back to Machining tab. Click Post Processor. You can find the Post Processor under Recent Post Processor group if used it before.
If no,
you can include it by browse the Post Processor folder, and you will find it under Customer Folders group. Set the output ENCY program file name, and set the folder path destination. Click Run to convert the ENCY output file. Here is the code. Click on the external editor to edit the code if needed. Click Show in Folder if want to directly open the ENCY output file folder. And you can copy this LS file to pen drive and transfer it to the robot controller.